How to make money from my drone and drone piloting skills. If you own a drone or are planning to get one, congratulations. You're about to unlock a serious money-making machine. Let's face it, drones are not yet as common as smartphones. Not everyone can afford them, and even fewer people know how to fly them properly. Some folks haven't even seen a drone in real life. That means the demand is high, competition is low, and opportunities are everywhere. Now, let me ask you this. What if I told you that your drone could start earning you money part-time, and with a little more effort, replace your full-time job? Imagine making more in the evenings and weekends than your day job pays in an entire month. Your boss might start wondering why you suddenly look so happy on Mondays. But let's be real. Today's job market is unpredictable. Companies are laying people off left and right. And if you don't take control of your financial future, someone else will. Just ask those who lost their jobs when Trump cut USAID funding. This video is designed to help you turn your drone into a cash-generating machine. I'll walk you through different ways to make money, from simple gigs to full-time business opportunities. Whether you're into photography, mapping, deliveries, or even drone racing, there's a way for you to cash in. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure it out alone. But before we dive in, I need one small favor. That subscribe button you see? Click it. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me keep making videos that fight empty wallets. And since you're about to get some serious value from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Take the link and drop it in a WhatsApp or Facebook group where your friends hang out. You'll probably get a thank you message later when they realize how much they've been missing out. Hit that like button, turn on the notifications, and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your drone into a full-blown business. Let's go. What is a drone? And what about service-based income? A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a flying device controlled remotely or autonomously. Originally used for military operations, drones have now expanded into commercial and personal use, creating huge money-making opportunities. One of the best ways to profit from drones is through service-based income, offering specialized skills for clients who need aerial solutions. This includes aerial photography and videography. Capture breathtaking shots for real estate, weddings, and events. Inspections and surveys. Assess infrastructure like power lines, bridges, and pipelines. Agricultural monitoring. Help farmers analyze crop health with drone data. Security and surveillance. Provide aerial monitoring for businesses and large events. Search and rescue. Assist emergency teams in finding missing people. With drones in high demand across multiple industries, learning how to monetize your piloting skills can turn this hobby into a full-time career. How to make money with a drone, aerial photography, and videography. Drones have revolutionized the photography and videography industry, allowing for breathtaking aerial shots that were once only possible with expensive helicopters. Aerial photography and videography is one of the most lucrative ways to make money with a drone, especially in industries like real estate, weddings, tourism, and corporate events. If you own a drone and have a passion for photography, here's how you can turn it into a full-time or side income stream. 1. What you need to get started. Before you launch your drone business, you'll need the right equipment, skills, and legal compliance. For skills, you may enroll for a complete drone technology online course at oakfarmcollege.com. There are free drone courses in this channel to start you off. But first, subscribe to be a member and hit that notification button, never to miss the best info about drones and many other stuff you need to know about taking your career to the next level. A. Equipment and software. A high-quality drone. Invest in drones like the DJI Mavic 3, DJI Air 2S, or Autel EVO2 for high-resolution footage. Gimbal-stabilized camera ensures smooth, cinematic shots. ND filters and extra batteries. ND filters improve image quality in bright light, and extra batteries extend flight time. Editing software. Use Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve to enhance footage. B. Drone flying skills. Learn manual flying skills to capture stable, cinematic movements. Master different shot types, orbit shots, flyovers, reveals, top-down perspectives. Practice in various lighting conditions to adjust settings for the best results. C. Legal requirements and certification. Obtain a drone license, FAA Part 107 in the US, CAA license in the UK, or equivalent in your country. Register your drone with the appropriate aviation authority. Get insurance to cover accidents or damages. Follow local airspace regulations, ensuring you're allowed to fly in specific areas. 2. How to make money in aerial photography and videography. A. Real estate photography. How it works? Real estate agents use aerial footage to showcase homes, commercial properties, and land. High-quality aerial shots provide unique perspectives that standard ground-level images cannot. Luxury properties and large estates especially benefit from cinematic flyovers and 360-degree views. How to get clients? Contact local real estate agents, property developers, and land surveyors. Offer an introductory discount or free demo to showcase your quality. List your services on real estate marketing platforms and freelance sites like Upwork and Fiverr. Pricing. Charge $150 to $500 per property, depending on location, property size, and editing requirements. B. Wedding photography and videography. How it works? Many couples want aerial shots of their wedding venue, first dance, or grand entrance. Drones add a cinematic touch to wedding videos, making them highly desirable. How to get clients? Network with wedding photographers and videographers. List services on wedding marketplaces like The Knot, Wedding Wire, and local event directories. Showcase highlight reels on social media. Pricing. Drone wedding videography packages can range from $500 to $2,000 per event. C. Corporate and event coverage. How it works? Businesses, brands, and event planners hire drone operators for product launches, concerts, and festivals. Drones provide aerial crowd shots, venue layouts, and dynamic perspectives. How to get clients? Partner with event organizers, marketing agencies, and corporate video producers. Offer services to hotels, resorts, and tourism boards. Showcase previous work in a professional portfolio or YouTube channel. Pricing. Charge $300 to $2,500 per event, depending on event scale and post-production work. D. Tourism and travel content creation. How it works? Tourism companies and travel influencers need high-quality drone footage of destinations. Hotels, resorts, and tourism boards use aerial videos for promotions. How to get clients? Reach out to local tourism boards, travel agencies, and resorts. Sell footage to travel influencers, bloggers, and stock footage platforms. Offer custom travel video packages for clients looking for drone content. Pricing. Charge $100 to $500 per project, or sell footage for $50 to $300 per clip on stock footage sites. 3. How to sell your aerial footage and photos. If you don't want to work directly with clients, selling drone footage can generate passive income. A. Stock footage websites. Sell high-quality aerial clips on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, and Getty Images. Unique landscapes, city skylines, and natural wonders sell best. Earn $50 to $500 per sale, depending on exclusivity and demand. B. Social media and YouTube monetization. Post stunning aerial footage on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. C. Print and digital sales. Sell aerial prints of landscapes, cityscapes, and nature shots. Offer drone footage subscriptions for businesses needing regular content. 4. Scaling your aerial photography business. Once you gain experience, expand and scale your business. Hire additional drone pilots to take on more projects. Invest in better drones to offer specialized services, thermal imaging, high-resolution mapping. Create online courses to teach others how to start a drone business. Start a YouTube channel with drone tutorials and monetize content. Final thoughts. Is aerial photography and videography profitable? Yes. Drone photography is one of the most in-demand and profitable drone services today. With the right equipment, skills, and marketing, you can turn drone piloting into a full-time career or side hustle. Action steps to get started. 1. Invest in a high-quality drone and learn the basics of aerial cinematography. 2. Get licensed and insured to operate legally. 3. Build an online portfolio showcasing your work. 4. Start networking and pitch your services to real estate agents, wedding planners, and businesses. 5. Sell stock footage for passive income. By following these steps, you can turn your drone into a serious income-generating machine.